Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What a birthday, boy.
Happy birthday, dear Akeen, my handsome husband, king, chef, amazing man. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, God is the greatest. You hear that? Yeah, bro.
And many more.
You know, bad money to blow, can you see? So I go just.
Just blow it out.
Blow the candle, boy. Yeah, give my thanks, baby. That is it. Yeah. That is the.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jen. So today is Akeen's birthday and he thinks that I completely forgot about his birthday. I haven't mentioned anything about any plans or what we're gonna do or that I got him anything for a gift. So he's kind of in a pouty mood. He's in the room. He's in the room. But while he was at work, last night I blew up some balloons and I hid them in the back room. I just put it up in an archway, and so for him to get some pictures taken, I got him some gifts. I also have a couples massage planned for me and him today at a really nice resort and spa, and also a really nice dinner planned. So come along and let's see how the rest of the day goes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in the room now and surprise him. Okay, come with me. Hey babe,
Hey,
what are you doing?
I just checked my portal and just seeing that they confirmed my permanent residence.
What?
Yeah.
And look at this, me with
Yo,
the camera
family.
on.
Where you going with? Alright then, do that. Me want to chat to you about something, yeah?
Oh my gosh. I have the
Yeah,
camera on
just
you for a reason.
Why? I just confirmed, babe. Look at this.
That's awesome.
My permanent residence.
Yay! Woo. I'm so excited. Give me a kiss. Love you. I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, so what were you saying, baby?
So I was telling you that I have the camera on you for a reason.
Okay. What's the reason?
Come with me, please. Mr. Akeen Edwards, follow me. Did you think I forgot something today?
So what's all this for?
Did you
baby?
think I forgot your birthday? So while you were working, I blew up all the balloons, and while you were in the room, I put this together for you. So when we get ready,
Yeah.
ready for...
Where we going?
What's that noise? I don't know. But we are going for a couples massage at the resort that you took me for my birthday. And we're going for a special dinner as well. I got you some gifts. So when we go get ready, which we got to go get ready right now because dinner is at 5:30
Okay.
and the massage is at 7:15. So we have to go get ready. But I did this so we can get pictures taken. I'll get Jess to take some pictures or... Okay, so happy birthday, baby. You thought I forgot. I'm not gonna forget your birthday.
I appreciate it. I love the look. I love everything, babe.
Aw.
It's just the little things that matters, babe. And even if you didn't do anything for me, that's fine. That's totally okay with me. You know what I mean? The greatest thing, I got life and I got God. And
That's true.
yeah, I'm grateful. I mean...
And now you got your PR.
See, so that's the greatest birthday gift. That's how the universe works on it. So I
Yeah.
am grateful, I am thankful, and yeah, so you're gonna vlog our journey.
Yes, we're gonna go get ready right now, and then we'll take pictures by this archway, and then we're gonna go on our nice birthday date.
I like this, I appreciate this, babe.
Aw.
I've never done something like this before. This looking lovely. I like it. I mean, as I said, it's the little things that matters, and I'm grateful.
Aww. I had to do
Thank you,
something
babe.
special.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. Love you. Okay, guys. So we're gonna go get ready and then we'll vlog. We're gonna take some pictures and then we'll vlog our massage, some of our massage and our dinner. Okay? Babe, go on with your bad self. So there you go. Happy birthday, babe.
Thank you, baby.
That's the birthday guy. Handsome as ever.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, Almighty, thank you for another year, you know? Another year around the sun. Every day we grow. The most important thing, you know, we gain knowledge and we get up closer towards you, Almighty God. So, yeah, give our thanks, you know? Cleanness, again. That is it. Yeah. Yes, guys, so we're on our way now to the dinner. Let's see how that works. Let's see what my wife has planned in store for us. It's a beautiful day, you know, just I give God thanks. And without him going away, nothing is possible, you understand? And life has been good. We carry on our journey too. It's been better. So we have a wife. What do you got to say? Nothing?
No, I'm just listening to what you're saying, and I agree completely. Like, God is amazing, and it's been a good year.
Today has been a good day. I understand, like, so we just have to live and understand. There's nothing better to do than to live and give God thanks now. So
Yep.
come with us. Wife says she have something planned for me, so we're on our way there.
Yeah.
We're on our way there now, so let's see what she have in store. Peace out, guys. You look beautiful, baby.
Oh, thank you, and you look handsome. It's a beautiful day. I'm excited. We're going for a massage. First, we're gonna have dinner though. Then we're gonna go for a massage. So I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. So, and then we'll do cake when we go home. So it's a day, and then you gotta open your gifts too.
It's a place, look. Nice place, you know?
Beautiful, babe.
Beautiful. It's nice. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. It's a nice sunny day, eh?
Beautiful. It's gorgeous here.
Sweet.
Here we go.
Ooh,
Beautiful
beautiful.
table, right?
Thank you.
Enjoy. Enjoy dinner.
Ooh, what a nice view,
Yeah,
eh?
I know.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. It's a totally different feel when we did it. It was at night when for my birthday. So, so it's, yeah.
It's a change of climate. It's long day now and short night, so we
Yeah,
gotta expect that too.
my birthday's in January, so it was so dark, and but it was nice though.
It was nice. So
Yeah,
beautiful.
it's just a different feel.
This guy, so we ended up moving from our spot, and it's a different spot. Lighting is better.
Yeah.
babe face and my face. So yeah, and I think we're gonna get some nice pictures. So it's a good day. It's a nice sunny day.
And we get a beautiful view. We can look right straight at it now instead of on the side.
The setting is beautiful, and that's what I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're here. I was thinking of, we should get the room because the place is really beautiful, but then I gotta work, right? So I'd have to work tomorrow in the morning, so that would never make any sense. So we decided not to. So yeah, but we got it spot on, and that's good. We got everything spot on. So yeah, see you guys.
Oh, do you want some freshly cracked pepper on there?
Do we want freshly cracked pepper?
Yeah, we can. Yeah,
A little pepper?
Thank you, man.
So babe,
Yes, baby.
what is the best thing that happened to you last year? Or no, name 3 things that you want to remember that happened to you last year. That's really good.
Last year, we got married. 1, 2. I was going through depression in Canada because there's no family, and since we got married and start hanging out together and stuff, like that changed. 3, I felt at home. To be honest with you, I felt at home. So yeah, that's 3 good things that happened to me last year.
Aw.
Yeah.
And you got a good job.
Of course, yeah. I got 2 good jobs.
2
So,
good jobs.
Yeah, that's the greatest thing. Yeah. And here you gotta just embrace change. You gotta willing to change certain things. You gotta willing to change your surrounding just for things to work in your favor. So yeah, I learned that coming into a foreign country, you gotta start over. You probably gotta go back to school and get more qualified than how you were, and yeah, embrace change. Yeah, you got a whole lot of exams and stuff to do too when you come here. So if you're not prepared, then you're doomed, man. So yeah, you probably have to go and get a McDonald's job, and that weren't me. So I go for it. You know what I mean? I go for my goal. I because I'm a go-getter, man. So yeah, that's me, babe. That's my 3 things that happened to me.
Okay,
you know what I mean?
and maybe what is something you're looking forward to happening in the following year? So in this year, what is so when we can look up at so we can look back at this next year and see if something that or a couple of things you would like to happen that
I
might
don't
happen.
really go for the short-term goals, to be honest, but the long-term goal, one of my long-term goals is to go back home, and one of my long-term goals is to go back home and get a couple apartments and so forth. Yeah, and yeah, just to get my kid here, to give him the exposure and the experience, understand, and like that's just around the corner. So that's a short-term goal that we had, and my wife had, because she loved my kids so much. I bring her home, I bring her down to like meet him, and they're like this. So I'm looking forward to that bond again. Yeah, and yeah, that's it, man. That's just one of the things that I am working towards to achieve. Go back home and own a couple apartments and so forth. So I'm really going towards that. You understand what I mean? And yeah,
Maybe we'll move this year too, maybe into a new place. Maybe we'll see. Maybe if not this year, next year.
let's see how that goes. Yeah, if it's not this year, next year we can. Yeah, because we probably have to get something to accommodate my son.
Yeah.
He's coming, and you know, definitely want him to have the best, one of the best life. It's just
Yeah.
my one boy, you understand? So to give him the best life, that would be something that I cherish and that would give me joy, you understand? So yeah, that's one of the things, and yeah, so stay tuned and look forward to that.
Yeah, we're gonna take you along on all of it. Like when we get him, when he comes here, when we do his room, when we get another place where he has his own bedroom, we're gonna include you guys in all of that.
For sure,
So we're gonna take you along on the journey. We've got lot more things to come, and we're gonna take you along for all of it. So we're excited. So okay, well that's great. Yeah, so we're just waiting for our dinner. We just had some Caesar salad, and I just
yeah, we had some Caesar salad and some toast and stuff like that for appetizers. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna give you a brief going through our dinner and so forth. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, it's a good day, and I give God thanks. And happy birthday to me. It's the birthday boy, right? So.
Birthday king.
King
Akeen.
That's my queen right there, so yeah.
Ooh, that looks nice. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Looks good, babe.
Of course.
Lamb. Chicken. Yum.
This guy's after dinner. Guy bring me this and said this is for the birthday thing.
Yeah, there you go.
Too many. So yeah, give her thanks, you know, God is the greatest. This guy's on the boy look for his birthday. Just get my locker. I will go in for a massage. Place nice, place is beautiful. Can't go around that, you know what I mean? Okay, those are the locker over there. Place is looking good. Life is here to enjoy. So why not? Basically it's lovely, I like lovely.
Okay, so we're all ready to go for our massage. Do you feel like a king?
I am a king.
You are a king. So we just had our wonderful couples massage. How did you like it?
It was good, babe. It was really good. Guys, I fall asleep in the I fall asleep while getting my massage, and yeah, my wife heard me snoring.
It was so good. They did wonderful.
But it was really good. Yeah, it was really good, and I enjoyed everything that happened. And yeah,
It was two ladies from Dominican. They did a wonderful job.
yeah, two Caribbean ladies. I heard the accent, and I'm like, where you all from? So that was good. But yeah, I mean, it was a great time. Look at the outing. It's nice, very nice. Stuff like that, yeah.
So we're gonna head on home, and we're gonna have some cake and relax. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What a birthday, boy.
Happy birthday, dear Akeen, my handsome husband, king, chef, amazing man. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, God is the greatest. You hear that? Yeah,
And many more.
you know, bad man to blow, can you see? So I go just
Just blow it out.
blue and the can't go, but yeah, give her thanks, baby. That is it. Yeah. That is the
cheesecake. I'll get some plates. Okay, gift time.
okay. See you in the suits.
Short set. Clippers. Clippers for your hair.
What? Okay. Yeah. What thanks? Okay, suits.
Short suits, shirts, just a bunch of clothes. Pants.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you, Ray.
You're welcome. And that's it. That's the end.
Life, you know, life are the greatest. And God is the greatest. Anything Mama do for me, that is it. I love her and appreciate more every time. I don't know. She do her best, and only her best is good enough. You understand me? I said so. Yeah, we get a massage today, and we went out and have dinner. I still stop by Mary Brown's and have chicken again, and you know, top things off, gifts and cakes, and you know, so grateful or thankful. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.
And remember, guys, to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, turn the notification bell on so you guys get all the uploads. Blessings.
Thank you.
I say Ireland boss and me represent for Akeen and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels. So I tell you no, and I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?